آقای سرکستون اونجا رو پرگام چیه؟ اونورم سفینه است؟
این چیه دیگه تو آسمون؟ چقدر عجیبه. داره میاد جلو. نمیدونم اون چیه داره اونجا میره. نگاه کن. چه نوری هم داره.
A lot of people are talking about this particular photo and a few others. They show some strange lights in the sky over Houston.
Phone overnight or early this morning, you might have seen some images on Twitter that might have looked something like a UFO. Was it? We're not sure. Some people thought maybe it was one of those big old lights over the highway. We took it to the experts. Take a look at these pictures. In one, a circular thing appears to hover. In another, it appears in front of some impressive clouds. In yet another picture, the circle appears to stand on its side with an impressive light.